Once a marketing and PR initiative for self-proclaimed green companies, sustainability has become a serious topic, migrating from boardroom hypotheticals to factory floor initiatives. All around the world, governments have been placing increased demands on manufacturers to report and reduce emissions and promote sustainable practices. Furthermore, recent research from McKinsey found that 78% of consumers say a sustainable lifestyle is important to them. And another survey from Blue Yonder found that 69% of consumers are willing to spend more on sustainable products. Love it or hate it, the future of manufacturing will require paying careful attention to the environmental impact of your business. To do that, you'll need data, and lots of it. Every aspect of manufacturing will be under scrutiny, which means you'll need a 360-degree data visibility. Then, you'll need to contextualize the data to find ways for improvement. For instance, to report on CO2 emissions, it will require more than just placing a sensor at the top of a stack. You'll need information on raw materials, the energy consumption of your plant lines, visibility on scrap, just to name a few. Then you'll need to put all this together to find out how to reduce emissions by, say, 5%. If it's regulated, you may then need to find a way to report all that data back to the government. Without clean data with clear context, you'll be out of luck. That's where Factory Eye comes in. Our data management platform allows you to collect data from all your plant floor and enterprise systems. Whether you have an enterprise-level ERP and MES, or you've got a homegrown Excel workaround, we can bring your data together into our data lake and process it so that anyone can make sense of it. With just a click of the mouse, you can quickly create and access sustainability dashboards to make sure you're on track to reduce waste, decrease your carbon footprint, or meet any of your unique sustainability goals. Best of all, if you switch systems down the line, our solution won't skip a beat. Sustainability is a long game, and chances are your tech stack will change over time. With other solutions, you'd be starting from ground zero and losing all data context once you switch. With us, we're platform agnostic, so we grow with you without losing any of your valuable data-driven insights. The future belongs to sustainable manufacturers. If you're ready to move towards a cleaner, greener future without compromising quality or profitability, you should call me.
If you're ready to turn your data into actionable data, you better call Tom.